Okay, so let's level set. How do you define the word communication? Well, I define it as a message going from one person to another. And while that sounds simple, think of all the ways we make it complicated. First of all, there are the words we choose to use or what we say. And have you ever noticed that some people have such a nice way of saying things and others just don't? Yeah. Then there's the way we say it. Our tone of voice, coupled with our body language and our facial expressions, all go into this one. The way you say it can change the way it's interpreted. For example, what do you think when I say, "Thanks for taking this class. It's really great to have you here," versus, "Thanks for taking this class. It's really great to have you here." Quite different, right? Our Our tone, our facial expressions, and our body language make a huge difference. We make things even more complicated with something called context. Think of context as all the extras that affect how we interpret communication. Location comes into play, our mood, our relationship, and our history with the person relaying the message. All those things combined provide context. Now, there are many benefits to understanding someone's communication style, and here are just a few of them. It helps us improve our tolerance for others' behaviors. Why? Because understanding communication style makes it easier to understand the behavior we see in others and where it's coming from. In other words, after this course, you're going to understand why that one guy in your office has no concept of sugarcoating, or why that other woman takes 10 minutes to tell a 1-minute story. It also helps us to have the skills to interpret the actions of others. That boss with a poker face or that lady in the cube next door who needs lots of personal space, you'll understand that better after this class. Everything is a lot easier to interpret once you know someone's communication style. It's kind of like having an ingredient list for each person. Finally, it helps save time and money. Numerous studies show that bad communication is wasteful. 28% of those surveyed say it's a major cause of not delivering projects on time. And another study shows that when we avoid conversations at work, it costs about $7,500 in wasted productivity. Bad communication is also the #1 complaint of employees because it leads to low morale, stress, decreased collaboration, decreased innovation, and even turnover. Long story short, it's important stuff. So let's go to lesson 2 and learn even more.